This competition is very, very difficult, even for professionals. For amateurs to even attempt it, you must have extraordinary confidence and skill. Please open your baskets. And we are looking at pickled watermelon rind, Sushi Platter, Kohlrabi, and bacon bits. 20 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
I can't even believe that I'm here. I have my chopped chef's jacket on that I've seen so many times on TV. I'm not a huge fan of raw fish, so I'm gonna make a pan-seared medley of sushi fish on top of panko-crusted, sautéed kohlrabi.
What I would like to do with the $10,000 is kickstart going to culinary school, looking into owning a food truck or something of that nature. I see the sushi platter and I think fish taco all the way. I usually make tacos on the weekends or out of leftovers when I want something quick and easy for dinner.
I'm not a professional chef, but I can cook anything in a professional way. I'm gonna make a stir fry with the rice. I go to the pantry and I grab some sriracha, rice wine vinegar, sesame seed oil, add some mushrooms.
This may be an amateur competition, but I know I'm being judged to high standards.
Okay, we got a rice cake working, that's what I'm gonna do.
I'm going to leave the fish alone, but I'm gonna make rice cakes from the sushi rice, so it will then mimic what sushi looks like.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Step back. Adrian.
What I made for you today was a sushi taco with sauteed kohlrabi and a watermelon rind and apricot preserve sauce.
To say I'm gonna make a taco is a really smart idea, not an amateur idea. But the pickled watermelon rind, it's a lot of spice.
I'm okay with the heat. I went into it, but did you do something to the taco shell?
I did absolutely nothing to the taco shell.
Next up, Kevin.
What I made you is a hot and cold stir-fried sushi boat.
What's your day job?
I actually am the mayor of our town.
Can I just call you Mr. Mayor from now on?
Sure. I'm not just a politician as much, as someone who loves to cook.
I am really digging the boat. And the romaine kind of helps the kohlrabi along.
And I really like the flavors that you developed in this rice. But I really think that this fish could have had something done to it.
Maureen.
Today I've prepared for you a little rice cake. It has watermelon rind pickle juice. I also use the bacon bits in the kohlrabi and put it in the blender to give you fake wasabi.
I have to say that it's a perfect size appetizer. It's a nice looking plate.
Kohlrabi is one of my favorite ingredients, and I think you captured that in your fake wasabi.
And I think you approached it the way a professional chef might try.
Thank you.
But the fish, there's not a lot of it, and it doesn't belong here at all.
Michael.
Chefs, today I made for you a medley of sautéed sushi fish on top of a panko-crusted kohlrabi with a side of candied pickled watermelon rind.
I love what you did with the presentation of the fish,
Were you inspired by Mark's t-shirt?
Yeah, I was actually.
but the fish is really overcooked.
Sorry, Chef.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Adrian, you've been chopped. You have made it to the second round. Please open your baskets. And your entrees must include ostrich fan fillets, purple asparagus, fish roe in a tube, and blueberry wine. 30 minutes on the countdown clock. Time starts now.
My plan is to make grilled ostrich and pan-roasted asparagus.
I look at these ingredients and decide I'm going to make a pan-seared ostrich in a blueberry wine fish roe marinade. Awesome.
Maureen and Kevin are slicing the ostrich really, really thin, and they're treating it more like a poultry. You really need to treat it just like you would a steak. And I've gone to a nice inch-thick slice. Gonna make a grilled ostrich with a blueberry wine reduction.
Oh, crap. Oh, my goodness. I forgot the fish roe in a tube.
Guys, Maureen is just now working with the fish roe.
She realized, oh my God, I can use this roe.
What am I gonna do? I don't wanna get chopped because I've left an ingredient off of the plate. Into the sauce it goes, stir it, and hope it's gonna be delicious.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Step back. Kevin.
Today I made for you a pan-seared ostrich marinated in the fish roe, the blueberry wine, and I decided to take the asparagus and pan roast that.
It's a nice dish. It's composed well.
Those asparagus were very meaty and echoed the ostrich in their meaty quality. And I felt like I was eating a dish in someone's home.
Well, this is how I cook at home.
Gives us a better sense of who you are. But I think that your pan could have been hotter when you seared this off.
Maureen.
Chefs, today I've prepared for you grilled ostrich fan meat together with pan-roasted purple asparagus and a lightly dressed mezclun salad over a bed of rice.
I really appreciate that you peeled the asparagus. There's something very refined about doing something like that.
The Dijon vinaigrette that you created is just delicious. But I think the big mistake that you made on this dish is overcooking this meat as much as you did.
Where's the fish paste?
In the pan reduction sauce.
More sauce, more fish paste. Could have made this dish even better.
Michael.
Chefs, for your entree, I prepared a grilled ostrich with a blueberry wine and soy reduction and asparagus tips.
Now that is a nicely cooked steak.
I would simply say, this food's so damn good. You really made the basket ingredients belong in this dish.
I will say one thing about the dish, though. You didn't extract any flavor from the asparagus. And I think that's a big misstep.
Actually, I put them in with the potatoes and the bacon and the rosemary.
Really, because I didn't taste anything on here.
Sorry, Chef.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Maureen, you've been chopped. Please open your baskets. And in your desserts, you must use cinnamon chips, baby red grapes, Earl Grey tea leaves,
Who puts Earl Grey tea leaves in a basket for dessert?
and pound cake. 30 minutes. Time starts now.
I make French toast for my girls all the time, and I'm gonna go down that French toast road. I wanna make a pound cake pan Perdue with a cinnamon chip caramel on top and a reduced grape simple syrup.
I'm going to make a sweet and savory French toast made with the pound cake in a red wine reduction sauce using the grapes as well as the tea.
Just a few seconds to go here, gentlemen. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Step back. Michael.
I made you a pound cake pan Perdue with a Earl Grey infused whipped cream, a cinnamon mascarpone cream on top, and a baby red grape and Earl Grey infused glaze.
This whipped cream tastes just like baby aspirin, which is something I loved as a kid.
I thought it would taste like Earl Grey tea, not orange.
There's orange zest on there as well. I tasted it and I was like, oh my God, it's really a unique, interesting flavor.
You know, mistakes are often the mother of invention.
I don't think it's a mistake at all.
Kevin.
Chefs, today I present you with a sweet and savory French toast with a reduction of the grapes. Got two different alcohols going there, the red wine in the reduction, and then I added the bourbon into the French toast batter.
I'm very much loving this grape thing. I love the sweetness of it, the goat cheese in there to sort of give it a little tang, and the nuts in there for the texture.
Thank you.
I'm honestly very confused why you didn't at all transform the cinnamon chips, because they just sort of wind up being like melted down chips on the plate.
Tried to make a sauce, but desserts is something I don't do.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Michael, you've been chopped. And that means, Mayor Kevin Rooney of Wyckoff, New Jersey, that you are the chopped champion.